In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to head over to TradingView. You can easily do this by searching for TradingView in your browser. Once you've done that, click on the official TradingView link to get to the website. After you've landed on the TradingView homepage, you'll want to select the trading pair you want to analyze or use for your charting. This could be a forex pair, stocks, or what have you, whatever you plan to trade or monitor. Now that you've selected your trading pair, look for an option that says Full Chart. Clicking this will take you to the complete charting interface, which gives you all the tools and features you need to perform your technical analysis. Once you're on the full chart, you'll want to look for the Drawings panel. Here, you'll find all sorts of drawing tools. You should find a tool called Text. Selecting this tool will allow you to add text annotations directly onto your chart. This can be super helpful for marking important levels or notes. After selecting the Text tool, feel free to add your text by clicking where you want it to appear on your chart. Just type in whatever message or note you want to display. This might be reminders about your trading strategy or relevant chart notes. Now that you've added your text, it's time to customize it further. You'll find a menu that appears right after you type in your text. Look for the Settings option in that menu. Clicking on this will open up more options for customizing your text. Next, pay attention to the Settings menu. You'll see an option for color and, next to it, the font size. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can select different sizes for your text to ensure it's easily readable, depending on your chart's scale or your personal preference. Whether you want a bold statement with a larger font or something subtler, the choice is yours. Once you've adjusted the font size to your liking, don't forget to click OK to save the changes. Now you'll see the text updated to the size you selected on your chart. And here's a little bonus for you. The font size adjustment is not limited to just the text tool. You can also apply this resizing feature to various other drawing tools that include text, which gives you the flexibility to keep your charts looking sleek and informative. So there you have it. Changing the font size in TradingView is a straightforward process, but it significantly enhances the readability and overall professionalism of your charts. If you followed along, you should now have beautifully formatted text that makes your analysis much easier to navigate. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy trading!